Hello everyone, my name is Aries, and today we're gonna play the Gorilla Tag, but it's raining out here today. So it's raining, and still, you see it, it's dripping. Go inside, and you will be safe in Gorilla Tag. Comment down below if you like this, if you like the Gorilla Tag too. So don't use the mods. Comment down below if you're gonna use the lightning. Subscribe. Click to the right button. So look. This is rainy. It's rainy. Probably it's new update. So the city will never stop. So that's cool, amazing. So we have a snowflake and Gorilla Tag. Oh. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. That's no good. Bye.